Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Warmer AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in warmer.ai and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Warmer AI website. Now from this homepage, click on the sign in button at the top right corner if you haven't already logged into your account. Then you can use your credentials and click on the login button and you will be taken into the dashboard. Now from your dashboard, if you wish to change your password, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on settings. Now from the settings menu, click on security and you will be allowed to change your password. Just type in your preferred new password and then type this new password once again for confirmation. After typing in your new password twice, you can click on the save button and your password will immediately be changed. And now you can use your new password along with your original email address to log into your account on Warmer AI. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Warmer AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.